I carried out a task in Hong Kong to replace equipment at the IDC. One of our company's clients had a Juniper servers housed in a Hong Kong IDC. There was an alarm issue with one of the cards, so we needed to replace it with a new one to fix the problem. The client requested that to minimize disruption to their online operations, the replacement will begin at 1 a.m. and as quickly as possible. We bought the new card ahead of time. The original box was inconvenient to carry, so I took it out of its packaging and transported it in a large suitcase. After I got to the IDC using public transport, I checked in at the front desk on the first floor and got a pass for the designated floor. A staff member then guided me to the specific cabinet and helped me unlock it. First, I turned off the 3 power sources. Then, I removed the faulty card and replaced it with the new one. I made sure to plug in the optical modules and dust covers just like before. After double-checking everything was set up correctly, I powered it on. Next, I checked the running status of the newly replaced card through the console interface. After about half an hour of making sure everything was working correctly, I called it a day. Before leaving, I made sure to lock both the front and back doors of the cabinet.